In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel in 2026 using AI, creating thumbnail, logos, channel description and channel banner. So open YouTube, press on your account section and press create a channel or view channel. Then press customize channel. Open any AI software. I will use ChatGPT here. I will write a prompt. You can use this prompt to create your channel. So my prompt goes like, you are a professional YouTuber, designer and video editor having lot of channel experience and also have millions of subscribers. I am going to create a YouTube channel based on teaching. Can you suggest me a unique name? So I use this prompt. So let's see what does ChatGPT replies. So ChatGPT has suggested me a lot of names. I will write a prompt. Okay, I have selected a name, Learning Flying Hub. Let's wait what ChatGPT tells us. ChatGPT has told it is a good choice, and now let's make channel logo for this name. So I will write a prompt. Okay, for this channel name, Learning Flying Hub, I will copy paste it and suggest me a logo or create a YT logo. So till ChatGPT makes a logo, I will upload my channel name. Instead of my name, I will write channel's name, and in handle I will write channel name. So for Learning Flying Hub, there is no handle to use any extra characters, so I can use _12. Till then, ChatGPT has created a YT logo. Let's download it. Tell ChatGPT to create a channel banner for my channel. So I will upload the channel logo, but first I will rename the channel logo name because ChatGPT has given a huge lengthy name. So I will rename into Learning Flying Hub channel logo. Okay, let's upload it in YouTube. Set it. Yeah, I uploaded it. So let's find what ChatGPT has done for YouTube banner. So ChatGPT has given me two options. I will select one. So I found this one good. So I will download it, rename it and then upload again to my YouTube channel. Learning Flying Hub channel banner. So let's create a description from ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has given me this description. I will just copy paste it. This is how easy it is to use AI to create a YouTube channel. So I'll just press publish. Now let's see additional settings. So go to YouTube, customize channel, then press settings below. I will choose my country. I live in India. You can choose any other any countries you live in. Then I will ask ChatGPT to write keywords for my channel. ChatGPT will write SEO friendly keywords. It is best to use ChatGPT for YouTube. Now I am going to advanced setting. Press no, this is channel is not made for kids. Go for features option and verify my phone number. This is a very important step while creating a YouTube channel. Now let's go back again. Go for features, go for channel, settings, features, and now press access feature. Build history as you grow. So here, creating a channel using AI in 5 minutes is completed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.